So just got the Neo 2 up in the air now, just before we head down here. What I've not done, I've not got the app on my phone up to specifically select the mode which is for tracking on a bike. I think you can only do that on your phone, so all I've done for now is just use the quick buttons on the Neo 2 itself, on the body of the drone, and I've selected just a normal follow in a rear position, far and flat. It thinks it's just tracking me rather than the bike, so hopefully it will work, and we'll see how we get on when we get to the bridge.